Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about the product rule for logarithms. So we're going to let A equal to the log base B of M, and then C equal log base B of N. So now we're interested in the log base B of Mn. And we're going to let that equal x. So that means b to the x is equal to Mn. But under definition of logarithm up here, we know M is equal to b to the a, and N is equal to b to the c. So we can make that substitution down here. B to the x equals b to the a times b to the c. Well, now, under the product rule for exponents, we add the exponents. We get b to the a plus c, which implies that x is equal to a plus c. But remember, a is log base b of m, and c is log base b of n. And now putting everything together, because x is equal to the log of mn, we get log base b of mn is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of n. And now, of course, we can use that to say, for example, the natural log of 7x is going to equal the natural log of 7 plus the natural log of x. And of course, we could do it the other way if we wanted to as well. If we had something like the log base 4 of 7 plus the log base 4 of 5. That's going to equal log base 4 of 7 times 5, or the log base 4 of 35. So that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at the quotient rule.